Chuny Onagi TV. Chuny Onagi TV. Adundo Jaluo.
Amosino imore janeno mara kamora mora ma intiendre. Kawuono en tarik 17 dwe no endo mar auchiel higa mar 2024 kamagi emoko kuom weche ma waikoni odiochieng' ma kawuono ni endi. Kawachako to waneno ni gavana ma Garissa Mano Nathif Jama koro oseyo mokalo moko kuom jo Kenya ma osebedo kawacho wechego eko mag miriambo mano ewi duol no endo mar EACC magiwacho ni koro osemiyo oganda jo Kenya kata osebedo ka wacho wechego eko mag miriambo kagiwacho ni duol no endo mar EACC ne omako gavana endo ma Garissa ma koro kendo ne gitimo kata ne gidhi magimonjo ode kendo ne gitimo nonro matuta e ode kanyo endo kakoro gavana endo ne wacho ni mago weche ma osebedo ka fuong'ore pacho ka endi to ok gin mar adiera kata matin.
There has been a large number of rumors and rumor mongering regarding our issues here in the country vis-a-vis the operation that was undertaken by the EACC. What I want to tell my people of Garissa County is that is quite normal for EACC to undertake those kind of operations. In fact, what I know is that in the same day or the same days that those operations were being undertaken, there were also about 6 other counties that were also undergoing similar operations by EACC. So it's quite normal for EACC to do their job. And on our part, we will cooperate with EACC wherever such cooperation may be required from us. What really is the problem here is the extent of rumor mongering and lies and fabrications, particularly by the young men and women of our county, the social media. People have really gone out of their way to say things that are not only even true, or far from the truth, but things that are really unwarranted. That the governor has been, his home has been raided. They Photoshop, things that are unnecessary, put them together, and put them on social media to scare people, to say things that are not even necessary. In fact, I can say almost without fear of contradiction that these young men and women of Garissa County are ashaming themselves and indeed ashaming us as a county, because no other way in the country can such extent of lies and fabrication be told on issues that really are not there at all. So my request, my clarion call to these young men and women is to really focus on what matters. If they have to write something, let them write something which makes sense, which
Komachielo wayudo ni jatenda piny Kenya migosi William Ruto koro ne oduogo e pacho ka endi mano bang' adhi timo limbe mare e pinyno endo mar Swaziland ka jatenda piny Kenya mano migosi William Ruto ne otiyo kod ndegeno endo mar Kenya Airways emano duoge e pacho ka endi kendo ne oromne kod jotelo buora mane orwake mano kane oduogo e pacho ka endi. Komachielo wayudo ni jaod burano endo ma Kihara manondindi nyoro korone owacho ni gibiro tiyo kod pacha oganda jo Kenya mano kotenore kod wechego eko mag finance bill ma higa mar 2024 2025 ma owacho ni oganda jo Kenya osebedo kagolo paro ma opogore ka giywak ni finance bill no endo ka okadhi to biro hinyo ngimagi mokalo ka koro onyiso oganda jo Kenya mondo obed mosa ka onyisogi ni jo od bura koro biro winjo ywak margi kendo biro kwedo paro maket kod mano.
Finance Committee inaongozwa na Mheshimiwa Kimani Kuria. Yetu ni rahisi tu nikagawanya tu pesa kwenye inaenda. Lakini ukweli wa mambo ni hii. Hakuna ripoti iko bunge ya kamati ya finance. So ukiambiwa na mtu piga kura hivi ama hivi, kwa sahi hakuna kitu ya kupigia. Wakenya ndio wadosi wetu. Wakenya wamekuwa wakiongea. Sisi kama viongozi tumekuwa tukisikiza. I want to assure all Kenyans. Ile maoni yote wamepeana kwa mambo ya finance. Kwa mambo ya kodi ya mkate, kwa maneno ya kodi ya gari, kwa maneno ya ile kodi ingine ama ile ingine. Ile mambo yote Wakenya wanamesema kama viongozi sisi tunaheshimu hiyo yote. Na najua mkiona ripoti ya kamati ya finance mtakubali kama viongozi sisi tunaheshimu maoni ya Wakenya. Wakenya wakisema mchukue hii kodi wachaneni na hii, we are very much willing to listen. All that we are asking, Kenya ni yetu. Tusemezane. Kiongozi aeleze tunaweka hii ndio tufanye hii. Na wewe kama Mkenya ukituambia kama kiongozi msifanye hii anzieni hii. You can rest assured sauti ya Wakenya iko na nguvu kuliko sauti ya sisi viongozi. Kwa hivyo Wakenya wote tuendelee kutoa maoni ya finance bill. Finance bill sio ya viongozi, finance bill ni ya Wakenya. I request all Kenyans, let's continue giving our views to the committee, giving our views to our MPs so that we make the right decisions next week for the posterity of our country. But as we do that, Wakenya ndio wadosi. Sisi tunatumikia wadosi na wadosi ni nyinyi kama Wakenya. Maoni yote mko nayo, pea sinari, pea mbunge mwingine. We'll do what we need to do next week.
Jo Islam duto e pachoka endi korone obago romo mar ingo nyasino endo mar Idi mane otima e kor gwenge ma opogore pachoka endi ka jo Islam mawuoka e kaunti no endo ma Mombasa ne obago nyasi mar alamno endo e paw tukeno endo mar Ronald Ngala mano mayudore e kaunti ma Mombasa kama ne gilemo kanyakla.
Walhamdulillahi kathira وسبحان الله بكرة وأصيلا لا إله إلا الله وحده صدق وعده ونصر عبده محمد وعلى أصحاب سد وعلى أزواج لا إله إلا الحمد الله أكبر الله لا إله إلا الله أكبر الله.
Komachielo wayudo ni moko kuom jo od bura mago mawuoka e kaunti no endo ma Rift Valley koro siro piny owacho kuom bajet mane osoma mar higa mar 2024-2025 ka giwacho ni usuru ma igolo kod jopiny Kenya ka endi biro konyo e chulo gope mago mane okaw kowuoka e pinjego eko ma oko ka koro gijiwo oganda jo Kenya mondo omi omed mana golo usuru mane owachi kod piny owacho.
Ingawaje maisha ni ngumu, ingawaje bajeti yetu ni ngumu, wewe bado hujatusahau. Umejua kuwa ni mpaka tujilishe, na nchi yenye inajilisha ni ile nchi ambayo inajipenda.
Juicy, we read the budget. This week I was in Bunge when we read the budget. 3.92 trillion. It is a lot of money that we are anticipating to spend. So for us to raise that money, we have to have this finance bill bus so that tupate pesa ya kuchunga nchi.
Na hiyo budget ikikuja bunge sisi pia tumeshapitisha na tutaendelea kukusupport.
Ikipitishwa tu, nataka nihakikisha kwamba ile kodi itaokotwa kupitia hiyo bill. Hakuna shilingi hata moja itaibiwa au itaharibiwa na mtu.
Kumachilo wayudoni migauno endo mara puonjo kata migauno endo e sekta mara puonjo mano mawuoka e county no endo Machakos. Koro poyo mokalo budget mane osoma e pachoka endi magiwacho ni koro ne omedo omenda e sekta no endo mar somo mar junior secondary makoro giwacho ni biro konyo jopuonjre e sombgi mapile ka pile. Kata kamano wayudo ni ntiere moko kuom jopiny ma osebedo ka kwedo budget no endo ka giwacho ni koro inyo mokalo moko kuom sectors mopogore opogore e pachoka.
Sekta ya elimu ni sekta ambao inapaswa kuangaliwa vizuri. Kitambo kulikuwa na TVETs, kumekuwa na vile kumekuwa na mashule. Tumesikia walimu wakilalama kwa sababu ile percentage ya pesa ambazo zilikuwa zinapewanwa, mgao wa pesa kwa education umeenda chini. Na vile ukiangalia kumekuwa na ile program ya lishe bora kwa ajili ya watoto na school feeding programs, pia inaonekana pale haijapatiwa pesa sana. Kwa hivyo ni mambo ambapo utapata kwa njia moja ama ingine iko watu wanalia sana wakitaka hizo vitu ziangaziwe.
I believe that when we thought about that, it was about having the children, the students themselves, access education, as opposed to giving the money to the institutions and sending the students home without money that they can use to assess the same education.
Over the last several days,
Magoi makilegi kuweche manyena e yot no maradimba meda keto mana chunyo nagi TV manoka wango molosa chele wange idhi yudo weche manyena mawuoka e kor gwenge mopogore pachoka endi oriti masani kanyinga en Sheila Achienga Magare.